Assalamu alaikum and hello and welcome to another video. Firstly, Eid Mubarak to everybody, to all the Muslims who are praying Eid today, and if you're not doing Eid Mubarak for tomorrow as well. We're here at British Pashtun House on Hobmore Road, Small Heath, and we're here to do our Eid Prays. I'll show you around. There's a lot of people coming here today, and it's a good gathering. And here in Birmingham, everybody's doing Eid on the same day. And this is our draw. So all the people here who are members, even non-members, can come here and use. Now we're going to go inside. We got here the famous Ijaz Khan. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum Ijaz. Make sure you subscribe to his YouTube channel. He does a great job. Check out all his videos. Sangi, Shay, you alright? Shay, yeah, we'll take our shoes off. We'll go inside. They're trying to find a spot to put our shoes. Yeah, we found a little spot.
Up to the ear and then drop down.
You guys was fighting.
Explaining it. The second rakat, when the Imam finishes Surah Fatiha and Surah, before you go to the Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, wa lillahi alhamd. الذي أرسل حين شاع الكفر.
ګوره ټول ته د وړي کې اختر ټول ته ډېر مبارک شه چې هر چېرته یې خوشحاله اباده اوسئ باید انشاءالله دا په برمنګم کې ډېر په شریکه باندې د پاک پښتون اسوسییشن کې جمع وکړه او ماشاءالله که څو خلک ډېر دي او وروسته د دې اسوسییشن تعداد ماشاءالله زیاتېږي او خلک بس ته راوځي ټول کمیونټي په وجه باندې اختر کوي په وجه باندې خوشحالي کوي ولادت تل موږ د اتحاد قایم ساتي انشاءالله جزاک الله السلام علیکم
موجودانو د اختر لوی اریز باندې لپاره موږ شو پاک پښتون اسوسییشن کې ودو چې څوک ګوره موږ د طرف نه تاسو ته ډېر دعا سلام عید مبارک کلام او خوشحال کا ثانک یو الله پاک हर मुनाफी करीब डाला
That's the British Pashtun House on Hobmore Road. We read our Eid Prays, and alhamdulillah, it's a good time. Good to see all the community come together. We'll catch you in the next video, inshallah.